Hi everyone, welcome to ELI, the place where you get your daily dose of inspiration for entrepreneurship. And today we have with us Mr. Ashish Prabhakaran, who is the co-founder of DevOps Space, an end-to-end IT solutions provider. Ashish has worked in IT industry for around 6 years before starting his own venture in 2018. Hi Ashish, welcome to ELI. The
Hi, thanks.
Ashish, I would request you to introduce yourself to our audience, please.
Sure. Actually, I started my career as an engineer. So I finished my engineering in computer science from Tamil Nadu. I finished actually. Basically, I'm from Kerala. So then I completed MBA also in information systems because I want to start a own business. That's why I completed MBA also. Then my about my company I started last year. Last year Uh, we two actually. My partner is also there. His name is Vaishak. We together started our own venture. It's called DevOps Space. It's registered to LLP actually. Last year August we started. This coming August, we are completing 1 year. So about our company, company is based on completely into cloud development platform as Android applications, iOS application, and web applications. So our core area is completely cloud. You know that our name is depends on DevOps. It's the development and operations. We call it as like that. So we are completely into cloud and development platform. I like application platforms. Yeah, that's our company. That are our core areas. Yeah,
Mm.
that's it.
So, Ashish, here is my first question to you. Can you tell our audience what is DevOps?
Okay. Yeah, DevOps is a development and operations actually. Uh, it's as we know as all are working in IT companies. We know software engineer and we know programmer. We know that web designer, UI designer. Everything we know. This is general names we call.
Hmm.
But in DevOps is a term of IT field. It's called DevOps development and operations.
Hmm.
The employee should work in development and operations together. Right nowadays, its cloud platform is working. This DevOps it's very common because they are DevOps engineers, DevOps architects. We call it like that. So because cloud engineers, cloud architect, we are doing development and operations everything together. So that employees we can call not software engineer, not UI designer. We can call DevOps. Are you a DevOps? Yes, I am a DevOps. Like that is the term from. Yeah, that's we put our into our company. So we want to work more in DevOps. I mean cloud area and development area. So that's why we call DevOps. And we in space, you know that the space is called the lot of workers, lot of engineers are in space. So that's why we call it as DevOps space. My company is DevOps.
Okay, Ashish, when did you think of becoming an entrepreneur? When this idea came to you?
Yeah, actually, from my college times, there are a lot of opportunities coming from in campus interviews. So once campus interview at the time of March, year ending time, we have a lot of opportunities coming from different companies. So all students are waiting for that. It's just like a changing of our life, no? So once we start career, if once campus interview, it's very much change. Yeah, we will get easy job rather than we can go directly to company. It's very difficult to get a job. Once we are going a campus interview, it is very easy to get job, and we have a lot of opportunities there. We can choose companies, different companies. So that's why I saw a lot of companies coming and hiring students. It's very happy moment, and by the way, it's a very sad moment too, because there are a lot of students are not getting job because of arrears and supplies. So it's very difficult to get job like that also. So I think my college time, my first year time, I saw a lot of seniors are attending this campus interviews, a lot of things like that. So I think that time onwards, I want to start a companies. I want to give opportunities. I want to give solutions to those kind of people who want to become an engineer, who want to become an software engineer, programmer, designer. Like, it's just like that dream come true to become an entrepreneur. It's the first mileage, first diesel to my dream. So I want to give jobs. I want to give more. I want to choose more opportunities. I want to that's kind of that's what we think actually. That's why I mean I started thinking of starting companies, starting how they are working, how the industries are going, how the IT companies are working. So I start thinking like that. Then gradually I turned up to a solution. One day I want to become an entrepreneur. I want to start a company like IT company. Not into DevOps. I don't know at that time. I don't know DevOps. I don't know cloud. I don't know nothing about. I just know about the IT company, software engineer. That's it. But later, gradually into when we start our career, then we thought learn more about DevOps, more learn about cloud and this kind of things, software engineering, lot of things. So that's why. Then I start like this company. Yeah, some noise is there, but I think this is a
That is,
matter.
that is fine. That is fine. So my next question
Yeah,
is,
okay, fine.
how did you get in touch with
Mhm.
your co-founder? I think you already mentioned that you have a partner. How did you get in touch with them? How do you know them? And how did you convince?
Yeah, actually, yeah, yeah, got it. Actually, my partner is also my college mate. So we started our journey together from 2008. I guess, yeah, 2008. So we are together. We are friends. We are live together. Actually, we are college mate, roommate, everything. So he finished his IT, his engineering in IT. So I finished my engineering in computer science. So we together all time we together we started talking about business, talking about the IT industries, talking about more opportunities in Android applications. That time onwards, Android is coming. It's not like this situation. That time it's coming to the world, new world. Android is not there that time. So I mean 2010, 11. That time always. I mean Android is coming. Android is more to people publicly. Social media is active. So that time is very much into all companies are concentrating IT industries or internet world is becoming more stronger. So we are also preparing. We are also seeing stories, newses, everything. So we together all time we and my partner name is Vaishak. Actually, he and me are together all time. We discussing a lot of things together. So that's why we coming up to end of this. Start a company like yeah. So he's my friend actually. He's not an outsider. He's not a new friend. Not new like we had 12 years of together. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Wh- when you started working on your own venture, you must have left your full-time job, if I'm not wrong.
yeah,
How did
yeah.
your family react to it? How did they support you, or did they say you shouldn't quit your job? How was it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is very difficult time actually. It was. So why means at my age 27, I quit my job actually. It is 2017. So once I quit my job and I traveled to Dubai actually. So which is a hunting a new job. Actually, I want to do job in Dubai. Why? Because a lot of stories behind that. Because I want to start a new job job in Dubai, and I want to hire. I want to meet people. I want to meet new businessmen. So then I want to start own business. From that client, there onwards, I want to take that new clients, new business for new business with my job or also. So that's why I changed my platform India to Dubai, actually UAE. So so it is very difficult to get a job there. So that time it's a recession going on, and all migrations are everyone is going back to homeland. So it is very difficult situation there to get a new job. So I just continue my journey there only 3 months actually, just a visiting visa period. Yeah. So I didn't get any job there. Then I came back and I searched over new job here. It is very tough time to get a new job here also. Then I thinking why I'm wasting time with this kind of job hunting and job, why I'm going interview, why I'm doing this kind of things. My dream is there, so why I'm wasting my time. That time onwards I am start thinking of new startups, in startup also there are a lot of stages are there. I discuss with a lot of startup mission handlers, there are a lot of people, I meet a lot of people. So they are telling you want to be develop a product. So if you have product, we you can start a startup. Yeah. So a lot of products like Zomato, like Ola, Uber, a lot of products are there. So this kind of these are also all our products. So we if we don't have any product, we have skills, we have solutions, we have things of solutions. A lot of things are there. That all depends on skill set. We don't have any product to resolve the things. Yeah. So that's why we I started rethink again, because I don't have any product, so I am not fit to this industry. I don't want to be start a business. It is very difficult. So it is a choice of time. That time I choose why product. Let me think differently, like service providing, like that. So then I consult with Vaishak, and we together, we in 2013 onwards, we started our journey together actually. He's working in cloud architect. He's working as a cloud architect actually. So we have freelancing the jobs are we taking from 2013 onwards, but we didn't name as a DevOps space or nothing like that. We just have taking requirements, and we are giving products. I mean, we are giving solutions. That kind of things we started actually from 2013 onwards. But why that? Why we wasting our time with this kind of freelancing and taking clients like freelancing? It's very trust issues also will be there. So that's why we started a company. So coming to your question, it's like once I get this point, once I start, yeah, I'm going to do this. Then I discussed with my family. They said, no, you don't want to do this in 27. It is very difficult time to get. It is a peak time to get a man settled in life. Yeah, it is very difficult time. 27, 28, 29. It's a peak time. Yeah, your life change should be. I mean, marriage is there. A lot of things are there. It's all. It's going to be very difficult situation. So that's why I'm also thinking, yeah, if I'm go with a company or marriage, it's just like 9 to 5 job, and I get settled, I get married, I get married, and kids, like, it's a normal routine life. Yeah, there is nothing special about it. So
Mm.
I'm started thinking again. It's a lot of lot of thinking, lot of time I took for this output comes, family is not supporting, and it's very difficult time. And why, if they are not supporting, how can I manage the things? A lot of things are there. So then I started again thinking. I'm discussing with my friends. His family is also the same issues. We are into a middle class family. It's very difficult to manage this kind of situations. So we don't have any backup plans. We are depending on the family is depending on us. So it is very difficult to manage everything. So that's why we literally we our family is not a great. I mean, we can convince them. I mean, we discussed, finally we convinced them. So I want to start this. We will be, I mean, good entrepreneur, good business. We want to start this kind of things. So they said yes actually, but initially they said no, to that great no. So it's all come, it's not their fault actually. It's our we belongs to middle class. Definitely they will say no. That is not about you don't want to be do business. That is doesn't mean like that. They said no, it's no, just for now. You can start after 35 or after you want to yeah 40 or something like that. Yeah, it's just upon based on go I mean we are in middle class, we face this kind of no's, you know. So
Hmm.
once we hear that no, then we just go with a great yes, and we the vision is the important thing, no. So my vision is not into that no, you know. So it is some, it's different, yeah. So we actually, that's the answer from family. I mean, that, now they are supporting. It's not a big deal for now. Actually, for I am running for 1 year, so it is not big matter now. Yeah.
How was your first day of entrepreneurship like?
It is also a great tough time. Actually, we started with one client actually, but that client is not continuously stick on with us. They got I mean they terminate their their requirement actually.
Hmm.
So we worked 1 month for free actually. Yeah, there is a all things are no full negative energies are there. A lot of negative things. Yeah, so we actually our part. I mean, our client is back out from our company. It is very difficult, very tough time to meet that thing. It's all kind of like, you know. It's very financially we are back. So it is very difficult to how we can fly and how we can hunt, how we can find new clients. So we are into that completely. We are focusing into finding new clients actually. The going I mean gone clients are gone, you know. We don't want to go back and follow them and come to us, you know. Why we are wasting time? Yeah. So we just started. So we want to go move on, move forward, because this is our life. This want to be a signature, you know, once we leave from this world. So that's why we continuously finding new clients. Yeah, it is very tough time beginning. Now also it's not our completely, we are not achieved. Actually, we are into, I said, as I said, we in this coming August, I mean this August we are completing this 24th week, are completing our 1 year actually. So it is it's going, I mean, along the way we are we are finding new clients, finding new opportunities, finding new technical stacks, and everything. We are searching over that. Yeah.
What is your vision when it comes to DevOps space?
Vision means, yeah, it's all about. I mean, as I said, from the college time, I dreamt about this company. But one entrepreneur, one IT company. So once we start this company, we have a lot of visions. You know, good clients, good job opportunities. We want to hire more people. We want to we want to provide infrastructures. You know, like now we thinking different with different area, like, you know, once we compare to Microsoft, once we compare to Infosys, like that kind of dream. I mean, dream what we want to achieve. A lot of startups are in a big positions. Like right now, we can think about Zomato, we can think about Uber, Ola. These are all one time. These are all startups, but now they are reached there at the most point. I mean, they are looking. I mean, new opportunity, new investors. They have a lot of things. Yeah,
Hmm.
there a lot of infrastructures. More than 3,000 people are working in the industries. Yeah, vision is like that level, you know. But we don't know how to reach that point. But we are doing our best actually. Yeah.
Okay. Would like to know what are the challenges you face along the way while building this venture?
Challenges, a lot of challenges are there. Basically it's a financially challenging, because I already said that I'm coming from a middle class family, and we both are coming from middle class family, so our financial stability is not that good. Our family is depending on us. Our job is all to us actually. Monthly salary is a very big relief to our family actually. So it is depends on salary, we are running our family. So once we start a business, salary is it's a concern. Yeah, definitely it's a concern, because salary is maintaining our lifestyle, maintaining our life circles. You know, so once we start business, it is not into correct. You know, Sometimes we will get salary, sometimes we are not getting salary. It's like just like that. But one by luckily our company is not that into not that into very bad situation. We are taking our salary, we have clients, we have opportunities. But some issues all depends on this kind of financial problems. Because we didn't start any digital marketing, we didn't start any kind of we keep our finance, we keep our money, and we do our business like that. Opportunities we are finding, we are doing like that. Yeah, not depending on digital marketing, not depending on social medias. We have social medias, we are connecting to all social medias also, but we are not completely into that kind of social media networks. And we from there on there we are searching clients, not like that. We have reference, we have skills, we are promoting our skills also. We are we are focusing that kind of requirement from outside. Actually, outside of India we are focusing right now. In India, we have the cloud services. We are not into, the cloud services in Kerala also. It's not that great actually.
Mm.
But in outside of India, very great opportunities we have. But we are also looking forward to that. We are reaching to them by reference actually. Yeah, reference clients are coming. Yeah, but financial problems are there. But still, there's everything have solution. That's we are focusing now. Yeah.
Okay. Who's your role model when it comes to entrepreneurship?
Entrepreneur role model, we can Bill Gates is my role model actually. He's nothing in his from beginning. He's not just he's just a normal human being actually. He
Mm.
creates wonders now. And Steve Jobs is also my role model. He's passionate about his business. He's not technically sound, but he is very much passionate about the technicals and products, all things. He knows that he wants to create this one, you know that we can see. Yeah, that we can see he is a passionate one. His dream about his job, his business, his job. That is a Steve Jobs main thing. And Bill Gates is also like that. So these are two ideal person for me actually for business. And from we are looking forward to our person. My personal life is APJ Abdul Kalam is my favorite person. Actually, he inspired me a lot. Actually, so he started me thinking, what is dream? Actually, yeah, dream can. Once you start dreaming, you can achieve that. You can travel through the dream. It's just like that. Yeah, he is very inspired to me in my life. He's like my god actually. Right. Yeah.
Okay. How do you compare entrepreneurship with a 9 to 5 job?
9 to 5 job is a very easy going one. Yeah. Once we compare to engineering life, engineering thing, it's not a 9 to 5 job actually, definitely, but it's coming, it's a more than 10 hours job. Yeah. But once we, calculate 9 to 5 to entrepreneurs is not time schedule is not there. It is very difficult to manage your life and your personal things, entertainment. We can't assign a time to that. Yeah, we have some sort of struggles there. Once we consider as 9 to 5, it's very easy. You can come to night. You can come to night at home. Then you can spend more time with your family. This is not that happening. We don't have any time. 24/7 job is like that. It is just like 24/7 job. So that is my company's. That definitely one thing is there will be good. The other thing is not will be not that good. It's just like that. 9 to 5 is it's completely into a normal job routine. It's normal life. It's a choice of person. If yeah, I can also choose that one, but it is very easy. It's not my dream actually. My dream is something different. Once I start 9 to 5, I'm not complete. I'm not full. I'm not completing my dream. It's just like so I once we consider the dream is one, then we are do I mean we can work inside our mind, right? So once we work inside from mind, then you can put 100 percentage to work. So that's why I started this one. Yeah, I just started this company actually. Yeah.
Mm. I think we are almost up with the time. I have only two questions left. One is, how do you
Ah,
sug-
okay, okay.
how do you suggest our audience to start their journey as entrepreneurs? Now, let me tell you a bit about our audience. They are young people and students who have big dreams to do something on their own. How do you
Mhm.
suggest them get started?
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah. As I said to this audience, once we dream about your company, you just go to reach that point what you dreamt actually. So dream is all about your journey. Without dream you can't without aim, without passion, without uh, dream, you can't travel along, travel lot, you can't do that. But if you have dream about anyways any job or anything, so once we consider as a job, I have dream about work in a Wipro, work in a Microsoft, work in a AWS. That is also a dream. Yeah, I want to work in AWS. It is a dream, actually. It is a dream. But I want to become an entrepreneur, like AWS. It is also a dream. It's all about dream. Actually, you have to follow your dream. You have to do what you think. Actually, you have to do. Then the people will support you. After that, people will support you. Not just, first stage, you have definitely, you will get lot of negative reviews, lot of you don't want to do this. You now this very difficult job, everything you will hear. But just ignore it, just go forward, just do what you think. Any manner, any if you if I would like, I studied and I started a agricultural business. It's just about your dream. Yeah, any kind of business, all things are, once you do with your dream and passion, it will success. Definitely it will success. No doubt at all. You have to go, you have to reach your point. Just put a signature once you live from here.
Okay. Uh, my last question: what is your final message to potential entrepreneurs of this country?
uh, Entrepreneurs, different areas, different entrepreneurs are here. Definitely, a lot of industries are here. In this situation, we are facing a lot of struggles. We are facing a lot of issues also because of this corona, because of this natural calamities, everything. We are facing a lot of issues. But one day, once we, yeah, so every problems has a solution. So definitely it will come back soon. No issues. Go forward, start new opportunities, find new opportunities, just do it. We are also finding new opportunities. We are also we are also thinking a lot of new things. Now you know that in education system, we have, a lot of opportunities. Online classes will be there, they are started. Nothing can stop us. Yeah, people will chase things. Yeah, definitely people will start chasing a lot of things. So opportunities are there, we have to reach and we have to find out. Yeah, that's it.
Uh, it was a great pleasure to host you here at ELI. I think
Okay,
our audience would have got a lifetime lessons from this video. Thanks for your time, Ashish, and our best wishes for DevOps space.
thank you. Thank you very much, and all the best wishes for you also.
Thank you. Viewers, you can follow and connect with Ashish on LinkedIn by searching for Ashish Prabhakaran. Also, do visit their website by typing devopspace.com. So, whom do you want to have here at ELI for next episode? Do let me know in comments below. We will be back before you know it. Stay tuned to Entrepreneur Lounge of India.